He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust.
Surely He will save you from the fowler's snare and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge.
You will not fear the terror of night, nor the arrow that flies by day. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you.
For He will command His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands, so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. Because He loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue him.
I will protect him.
For He acknowledges my